There are so many different ways to serve up hummus, but I'm going to show you my favorite way at the moment. I was actually sitting at an Israeli restaurant the other day and I had their hummus dish. It was incredible. And what made it so special was the different layers of flavors. Of course, the key ingredient is the hummus. So I'm going to be using one of my favorite hummuses. This one is made with Australian chickpeas. And what's good about it is its creamy flavor and the texture is so smooth. So we're going to add a generous dollop of the hummus onto a plate. A big dollop. Okay, maybe one more. And we're going to spread it as the base of the dish. So the idea of this is to scoop it up with a bit of pita bread so you get all the flavors. And to this you can add many different flavors, but I'm going to keep it exactly the way the restaurant did it. Some pickled onions. Now this is just a red onion that I finely sliced, and just pickle it for a few hours or even better overnight and it completely transforms like this. And I'm going to dress that with some parsley. So a few sprigs of parsley we'll just place straight into our onions, almost making a bit of an onion and parsley salad. I'll just mix that with my hands and just allow that parsley to wilt slightly. Now what I've got here is some roasted eggplant. You could also use some zucchini, a generous spoonful onto our hummus, just little cubes of it over the top. To that we'll add our onion and parsley mixture. Again, a nice generous pop of that, and look at the colours. That's what's so striking about it. A little more. Some gherkin just on the side over here, and some olives. So we'll just garnish that with a few Kalamata olives in and around. Look how pretty that is. A little sprinkle of sumac over the top. And this is served with some pita bread. You could also serve it with some Lebanese bread, whatever you like. We'll just cut them up into chunks. Pop it on a plate on the side. And a final flourish of olive oil over our hummus, just to make it glisten. And that is a restaurant quality way to serve hummus. Serve that for your next party. Everyone is going to love that. And I think it's that combination of creamy hummus, the pickles there, salty olives. It's got the lot.